Hi, I'm super excited to introduce my new ebook. It's packed with over 200 customizable prompts that can help you create all sorts of content, improve your writing, explore online business ideas, dive into e-commerce, or even make some extra cash. My prompts cover tips for increasing website traffic, boosting revenue, master affiliate marketing, and connecting with influencers. For those who may not be familiar with using AI, imagine having a tool at your fingertips that writes articles, generates images, composes music, and much more. AI is powered by prompts. These are straightforward, clear, concise instructions in English that provide precisely what you ask for. Discover the power of AI for your projects. Click the link in the description below to purchase my ebook on Amazon and begin your journey into creating great content.